Rhys, must be a great feeling to get our first win in 5.
Yeah, it's been a bit of a slog. It's been a tough few weeks for us. We've tried to stick together, and we have done, and obviously we've got a win today, which was great because it was a 50-50 game really. The conditions meant that whoever scored, I think, was going to win it.
As you're saying there, the conditions were horrendous. Talk us through your goal.
It was a great ball in by Craig Williams, and I was just a yard away from my man. I managed to head it down, and it went in. So it was all about the ball in. If we crossed the ball, we'll score goals, I think.
How vital was that win tonight, given with how tight the top bottom 6 are going to be before going into the rush of the playoffs?
Well, it is vital, but more than anything, it's vital for us to just end that run of losses and maybe get some confidence back. And today the pitch was a real leveller, and it was about slogging it out. And even throughout the wins, we have been working hard. So luckily we came through today.
And a goal against your former side, Port Talbot, who you've got happy memories with. What does that mean to you?
It just means for me to score a goal, which is my job or one of my jobs, and also to just get the win. The fact this Port Talbot means nothing to me really.
And we've got 2 weeks off now before our next game, and hopefully get that pitch to recover. What's going to be planned in the meantime?
Lots of rest. I think it was a tough game physically out there, so the boys will have to rest now, and then we'll be training hard and win. We'll be trying to win some things with Ian's help and Antonio's help, and we'll hopefully come back and win against Rhys in a couple of weeks.
Rhys, many thanks for your time. Congratulations on the win tonight.